Siesto Green has a wide range of biofertilizer capsules such as Azos, PSB, Potash Grow, Zinc Grow, and many more. The standard way to activate a biofertilizer capsule is to put this capsule in a 1 liter of normal or lukewarm water bottle for 4 to 5 hours. In this period, the capsule will dissolve and all the bacteria available will be activated. After 4 to 5 hours, the capsule will dissolve completely and color of water will change as per the color of capsules. This bottle consists of PSB, this bottle consists of Azos, and this one is for Potash Grow. If a capsule needs to be activated immediately, Siesto Green introduces this handy activator to help you activate the biocapsules immediately. All we need to do is add some water in this activator and one biocapsule, then secure the lid, mix it well until the capsule activates. Now this solution is ready to be used in your field. You can use this solution for drenching, flood irrigation, drip irrigation, broadcasting, and even spraying via drone if required. We recommend mixing this or this solution in 200 liters of water for drenching, drip irrigation, or for spray via drone if required. Mix this solution well. Add it and mix this 200 liters of water properly, and your solution is ready to use. For drenching, there are two ways we can use. One is to fill a regular sprayer with the biofertilizer solution and detach the sprayer's nozzle and drench each plant near the root zone. Another drenching method will be to get a bucket filled with the biofertilizer mixture and manually supply the solution to the root zone. For drip irrigation, we fill a drum with 200 liters of biofertilizer solution that we have made earlier, and with the help of Venturi, fertigate 1 acre of field with biofertilizers. For farmers that rely on the traditional method of irrigation, that is flood irrigation, we provide an innovative way to fertigate the field. For this method, we recommend mixing the biofertilizer solution in approx 40 liters of water for 1 acre of land. Fill a 1 liter bottle with this solution. Poke a small hole in the cap of the bottle and attach the bottle to a stick. Here we are using the zip ties to secure the bottle. You can use any kind of thread or rope to secure it. When we are irrigating the field with normal water, just flip the bottle upside down and insert the stick in the ground near the water outlet. Here you can see that the bottle drips momentarily and mixes with the water, irrigating and fertigating the field at the same time. Another very common method to fertigate the field with biofertilizer is broadcasting method. For this method, we need the required quantity of vermicompost, sand, or any sort of soil available. Just mix this biofertilizer solution with this soil thoroughly. When this mix is ready, broadcast it to the field evenly. Siesto Green biocapsules are a farmer's best friend. It does not harm a farmer's health. It is also transport friendly and super easy to use.